In this video, we will learn about Python modules. Python modules are a specific set of functions or instructions that are used to perform specialized tasks and can be called in our program. Each Python file a developer creates is considered a separate module. As the new methods and innovations are made, developers supply these functional building blocks as modules so we can use in our code. These modules can be easily called using the import command inside our Python script. There are two kind of module. One is built-in module and the other that we need to install. Let's see how to import a module that is built in. For example, if I start Python and then type from random, this is the module random, and we are going to import randint. This is the function. Randint is a function of module random, and then I will call this randint function by passing in the arguments 0 to 10, so it will generate random number between these values, and just hit enter and you can see it generated some random number between these values. I can call it again, do rand int, and same thing, and it may generate another random number such as 2. So this way what we are doing is using a module random and its function randint. If we don't import the function, just a module, for example, if I do, let's see, import module math, this is a module math we're importing, and we want to use its function sine function, and the way to do is write the module name math dot and the function name, and then can pass in some value. Just hit enter and it will return the value. You can use this syntax if you are importing just a module name, not a function name. So you need to call the function by calling the module name dot then function name. But if you want to import a function, import a module, then import a function, then you can just use the function name without the dot operator. We can also import all the items from a module using the wildcard or asterisk sign to place the item within the current program's namespace. For example, we can also do this from math import then asterisk, so it will import all the functions inside this module, such as sine function. We can use sine and then 45, and this will work. You can see it work. These are built-in modules, so we don't need an external installation. But if you want other external module and want to use in your Python script, you need to install by using the pip. The syntax of pip command is, first I'm just gonna exit from here, exit, and just clear it. The syntax is pip, and after that you need to give a space, then you need to type install, and then over here name of module you need to install. After the installation is complete, you can just import that module the same way we did for the built-in modules. So in this video you learned about Python modules, how to use them, how to import them, and also how to install external module. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us, and thank you for watching.